Today I'm sharing with you my most favorite perfectly sweet coconut rice, restaurant style. This recipe requires pre-made rice, so be sure to check out my how to make rice on the stovetop video linked in the description to get that going. So first thing you'll do, in a large saucepan, you'll add a can of coconut milk, 1 cup of sugar, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix it all up and let it come to a boil. Then you'll add in your cooked rice. I previously made 2 cups of uncooked rice, which results in about 4 to 4.5 cups of cooked rice. You're going to stir the rice into the coconut mixture, making sure the rice gets fully coated. Now turn off the stove and let the rice sit for about an hour. This allows the coconut milk mixture to really soak into the rice. And now look at that, it's ready to eat. So good. And if you find that yours is a bit too liquidy after sitting for the hour, you can always add your coconut rice to an oven-safe dish. You're going to cover it with a lid or tin foil and bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. For more easy recipes and recipes made from around the world, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.